Hello and welcome to all of you in my channel Blue Chip Finance. In today's video, we will discuss more about economic order quantity, which is our topic of inventory management of operation and production management. And in today's video, we are going to take some more questions related to this topic. So, example 4 is taken from your book Operation and Production Management from J. Hazer, and question is that Southeastern Bell stocks a certain switch connector at its central warehouse for supplying field service offices. The yearly demand for these connectors is 15,000 units. Southern estimates its annual holding cost for this item to be $25 per unit. The cost to place and process an order from the supplier is $75. The company operates 300 days per year and the lead time to receive an order from the supplier is 2 working days. So there are 4 different requirements. Find the economic order quantity, EOQ or simply Q, find the annual holding cost, find the annual ordering cost, and what is the reorder point. So in today's video, these 3 we already discussed in previous lecture, but this one is new thing, that is reorder point or ROP. So first of all, we extract the data from our question, and first thing, that is demand. So demand D is 15,000 units, and after that your holding cost is 25, H is 25, and the cost to place and process an order from the supplier is 75. So ordering cost is 75, which is denoted by S, and company operates 300 days per year. So days in a year should be treated as 300, and the lead time to receive an order from the supplier is 2 working days. So lead time, what is lead time? Lead time is always denoted through L, and lead time is a time which order consumes from initiating the order and finally receiving that order. So first of all, we calculate the economic order quantity, which is equals to 2ds divided by H under root. So 2 multiplied by D. D is your demand, 15,000, and S is your ordering cost, that is 75, divided by H. H is your holding cost, that is 25, and finally after the calculation of this equation, answer is 300 units. So economic order quantity or simply Q is 300 units. After that, annual holding cost, we already discussed that it is always equals to Q divided by 2 multiplied by H, or we can say economic order quantity divided by 2 multiplied by holding cost. So Q we already calculated here, that is 300 divided by 2 multiplied by holding cost, that is 25. So annual holding cost is 3750. And third, annual ordering cost. Ordering cost is always equals to B divided by Q multiplied by S. So your demand is 15,000 units divided by Q. Q is your economic order quantity, 300, multiplied by ordering cost, that is 75. So it is also 3750. And fourth one is reorder point. Reorder point or ROP is lowercase d multiplied by L. What is lowercase d? Lowercase d is already calculated here. It is equals to demand divided by days. So your demand is 15,000 units, and total days taking under consideration is 300. So your lowercase d is 50. and lead time is 2 working days. So 50 multiplied by 2 equals to 100 units. So reorder point, why we calculate reorder point? We calculate reorder point, it tells us that when your units remain 100, you should initiate the next order to avoid the shortage of inventory. So there are 4 different requirements of the question, so calculate it here. Now we move to the next question, and that is also taken from your book, and that is Thomas Kraser is the purchasing manager for the headquarters of a large insurance company chain with a central inventory operation. Thomas fastest moving inventory item has a demand of 6,000 units per year. So your D is 6,000. The cost of each unit is 100. So it is your manufacturing cost. So 100 is your manufacturing cost, and the inventory carrying cost is 10 unit per year. The average ordering cost is 30 per order. So your ordering cost S is 30 and carrying or holding cost is 10. So H is 10. After that, it takes about 5 days for an order to arrive. So your lead time is 5 days and the demand for 1 week is 120 units. This is a corporate operation and there are 250 working days per year. So there are number of different requirements asked in this question. So first of all, what is the EOQ? Economic order quantity to DS divided by H under root. So 2 D is 6,000 multiplied by S, that is ordering cost is 30 and your holding cost is 10. So after summing up all this equation, your result is 189.73, or we can say 190 units. What is the average inventory if the economic order quantity is used? So average inventory is always equals to economic order quantity divided by 2. So economic order quantity or Q is 190 divided by 2, so 95 units. After that, C is that what is the optimal number of orders per year? Optimal number of orders equals to D divided by Q. That how much order can you place in a year? So your total demand is 6,000 units and economic order quantity, that how much unit can you order to get an economy, is 190. So 6,000 divided by 190 equals to 31.57, or you can say that 32 orders are optimal to place in a year. So 32 orders. And D is that what is the optimal number of days in between any 2 orders. So optimal number of days between any 2 orders equals to number of days in a year divided by optimal number of orders per year. So optimal number of orders are 31.57, or you can say instead 32, and total numbers of the year, days of the year are 250. So 250 divided by 31.57 equals to 7.91, or you can say 8. After that, E is that what is the annual cost of ordering and holding inventory. So here annual holding cost, as we already discussed, that it is equals to Q divided by 2 multiplied by H, and annual ordering cost is always equals to D divided by Q multiplied by S. So this portion is related to annual holding cost, and this portion of this equation is related to annual ordering cost. So total holding and ordering cost, Q by 2 multiplied by H, is calculated here. Your economic order quantity is 190 divided by 2 multiplied by your holding cost is 10 and equals to 950. Whereas annual ordering cost is always equals to D divided by Q multiplied by S. Your demand is 6,000, your economic order quantity is 190, and your ordering cost is 30. So 947.36, and when you sum up these two, your result will be 1897.36. After that, what is the total annual inventory cost including cost of the 6,000 units? So here total cost, there are two different cost: annual holding cost, annual ordering cost, and plus manufacturing cost, which is indicated in the question that cost of each unit is $100, and total units are 6,000 units per year, demand of 6,000 units per year. This cost is different from annual holding cost and annual ordering cost. So you can say that 6,000 multiplied by 100 and result should be added to the annual holding and annual ordering cost. So annual holding and ordering cost, that is 1897.36, and plus units multiplied by unit cost is 6,000 multiplied by 100. So total is 601,897.36. Now we move to the next question, and that is Maria of a LA Plumbing uses 1200 of a certain spare part that costs $25 for each order, with an annual holding cost of 24. So total your demand is 1200 units, and your ordering cost to place an order is 25, and your holding cost is 24. So first of all, your economic order quantity, which is equals to do DS divided by H. So 2 multiplied by 1200 multiplied by 25 and divided by your holding cost 24, and finally it is equals to 50 units. After that, calculate the total cost for order sizes of 25, 40, 50, 60 and 100. So first of all, we will take Q equals to 25, Q equals to 40, Q equals to 50, 60 and finally 100. And ordering and holding cost, we already discussed that annual holding cost is equals to Q divided by 2 multiplied by H, and annual ordering cost is equals to D divided by Q multiplied by S. So when we calculate annual holding and ordering cost at Q equals to 25, just simply place Q equals to 25 where it is. So Q divided by 2, so 25 divided by 2 multiplied by holding cost is 24, and demand is 1200 divided by 25, Q multiplied by your ordering cost 25. So finally your answer is 1500. So your annual holding and ordering cost at Q 25 is 1500. Similarly at 40, it should be equals to 40 divided by 2 multiplied by 24 plus 1200 divided by 40 multiplied by 25, and finally it is equals to 1230. And for next level 50 and 60 and 100, in the same way we can calculate annual holding and ordering cost. So these were three more different questions related to inventory management, in which we discuss different aspects of economic order quantity, annual holding cost, annual ordering cost, total cost and reorder point, and we also discussed about lead time. So in next coming videos we will discuss more about inventory management. So till then, stay blessed, stay safe, take care of yourself and other persons around you. Thank you.